Running Tips for Beginners, your ultimate guide to hitting the road. Hey there, so you've decided to start running? That's awesome. Running is one of the most accessible forms of exercise. All you need is a good pair of shoes, some motivation, and a little guidance. Whether you're looking to shed some pounds, get healthier, or just want to spend more time outdoors, running can help you achieve those goals. But let's be real, running isn't always easy, especially when you're just starting out. You might have questions like, how do I avoid injuries? Or what's the best way to build endurance? Don't worry, we're here to break it all down for you. Below, you'll find the best running tips to help you get started, stay motivated, and make running a part of your routine. Let's hit the road. Get the right gear. Before you start pounding the pavement, make sure you have the right gear. The most important item, your running shoes. Invest in a quality pair of running shoes that fit your feet well. The right shoes can help prevent injuries and make your run more comfortable. Visit a local running store where they can analyze your stride and recommend shoes based on your gait. Don't be tempted to just pick up any old pair of sneakers. Proper running shoes are designed to provide the support and cushioning you need. In addition to shoes, moisture-wicking clothing can make a big difference, especially in hot or humid weather. Choose lightweight, breathable fabrics to help keep you cool and dry during your runs. How to start slow and build gradually. You may feel the urge to go all out on your first run, but that's a recipe for burnout and injury. Instead, start slow. If you're new to running, begin with a combination of walking and running. For example, run for 1 minute, then walk for 2 minutes, and repeat for about 20 to 30 minutes. Gradually, as your fitness improves, increase the amount of time you spend running and decrease the walking intervals. Listen to your body. If you're feeling exhausted or sore, it's okay to take it easy. It's better to build your endurance gradually than to push too hard and end up sidelined with an injury. 3. Set realistic goals. Goal setting is essential for staying motivated. Start with small, attainable goals, like running for 10 minutes without stopping, or completing a 5K race. Once you achieve your first goal, set another. It's all about continuous improvement. Remember, it's okay to start small. Maybe your goal is to run 3 times a week or to simply make it around the block without stopping. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. Every step forward is progress. 4. Focus on form. Proper running form is crucial for preventing injuries and making your run more efficient. Here are a few tips to help you maintain good form. Posture. Stand tall with your shoulders back and your core engaged. Avoid slouching or leaning too far forward. Foot strike. Aim to land midfoot, not on your toes or heels. Landing too heavily on your heels can lead to injury, while running on your toes can quickly tire out your calves. Stride. Avoid overstriding, taking steps that are too long. Keep your steps light and quick. Arm movement. Keep your arms bent at about a 90-degree angle and swing them naturally. Avoid crossing them over your body. Focusing on your form early on will help set you up for long-term success. You'll run more efficiently and reduce your risk of injury. 5. Warm up and cool down. Warming up and cooling down are essential parts of any run. A proper warm-up gets your blood flowing and prepares your muscles for the work ahead. Spend 5 to 10 minutes doing dynamic stretches or brisk walking before you start running. This can include leg swings, high knees, or walking lunges. After your run, don't forget to cool down. Gradually decrease your pace and finish with some light stretching. This helps your muscles recover and can prevent post-run stiffness. 6. Listen to your body. Running is a demanding sport, so it's important to listen to your body. If you're feeling pain, not to be confused with normal discomfort or fatigue, don't push through it. Pain can be a sign of an injury, and running through it can make things worse. Rest is a critical part of any training program. Your body needs time to recover, especially if you're new to running. Don't be afraid to take rest days. In fact, rest can help you get stronger and prevent burnout. 7. Hydrate and fuel properly. What you eat and drink before and after your run can have a big impact on your performance. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, muscle cramps, and even dizziness during your run. As for fuel, it's important to eat a balanced diet that provides your body with the nutrients it needs. If you're running in the morning, a light snack like a banana or a slice of toast can help give you energy. After your run, refuel with a mix of protein and carbs to help your muscles recover. Think along the lines of a protein shake or a turkey sandwich. 8. Find your motivation. Running is as much a mental challenge as it is a physical one. There will be days when you don't feel like running, and that's when motivation becomes key. Find what inspires you. Maybe it's a killer playlist, a scenic route, or the idea of crossing the finish line at your first race. Joining a running group or finding a running buddy can also help. Running with others can keep you accountable and make your runs more enjoyable. Plus, you'll have someone to share your progress with. 9. Mix it up. Variety is the spice of life. And running. To keep things interesting and prevent boredom, mix up your runs. Incorporate different types of runs into your routine, such as long runs. These build endurance and should be done at a comfortable, conversational pace. Speed work. Short bursts of speed followed by recovery periods can help improve your overall pace. Hill repeats. Running up and down hills strengthens your legs and improves cardiovascular fitness. Switching up your running routine not only keeps things fun, but also helps you become a more well-rounded runner. 10. Celebrate your progress. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your progress. Running is a journey, and every step forward is worth acknowledging. Whether you're running longer distances, achieving faster times, or simply feeling better about your runs, take time to appreciate how far you've come. Consider keeping a running journal where you track your runs, jot down how you felt, and celebrate milestones. This can be a great way to look back and see how much progress you've made. In conclusion, running is an incredible way to improve your fitness, boost your mental health, and challenge yourself. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to making running a consistent and rewarding part of your life. Remember, every runner started as a beginner. With patience, perseverance, and the right mindset, you'll be crushing your running goals in no time. Happy running.